Required parts list. Damaged modules. Bubble paper. Pack the modules with pearl cotton or bubble wrap to avoid secondary damage during rough logistics handling. Please make sure to return the kit from the same batch along with the faulty modules. Wrap it with tape. These accessories come from the same production batch as the original module. Mask. Receiver card. Hub 3-part SAB. Hub 3-part C. Using LEDs from the same batch ensures uniform display performance. LEDs. ICs. Be sure to include your name, address, model and quantity of the modules to be repaired, and the contract PI number.